Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I hope you are all fine. This is our social studies period, week 4. Let's start our lesson. Students, nowadays we are studying unit number 1, the earth and the environment. And in this unit, we have read different topics. Let's have a quick recap of all these topics. In this unit, we have discussed about the different regions of Pakistan. We have read about weather and climate, the difference between weather and climate, and the instruments which are used to measure these weather conditions. In our last video or lecture, we have discussed major climatic regions of the world. And our today's topic is the climate of Pakistan. So quickly open your pages, page 12 and 13. Now students, first of all, we will discuss the location of Pakistan, that where Pakistan is located in the world. It is close to the Tropic of Cancer. Do you know where the Tropic of Cancer? Yes, that is near equator. What is equator? Equator is an imaginary line that divides the world into two equal halves. And you know कि जो इक्वेटर है वहाँ पर जो सन रेज होती हैं वो डायरेक्टली फॉल कर रही होती हैं. That's why their temperature is very much high. And in Pakistan we usually observe that we are having hot temperature. It is most high temperatures and is counted among the hotter countries of the world. But climate in Pakistan varies between the different physical regions of Pakistan because they are located at different latitude, altitude and distance from the sea. These are the three reasons which causes the difference of climate in different regions of Pakistan. Let's discuss each cause, each reason in detail. Before a discussion, we will see that there are different regions in Pakistan. These are mountainous regions, plain regions, desert region, coastal region, and plateau regions. First one is mountainous regions that are located at high altitude. In these areas, winters are extremely cold and extended from October to April. The temperature often stays below freezing 0 degrees centigrade. Precipitation is also in the form of snow. Summer temperatures are warm. From May to August are the summer months. The hottest months are June and July. There is a good rainfall in summer which reduces the heat. People mostly enjoy their life in summers. So in this slide, we have discussed that what sort of temperature is present in mountainous regions. Second one is plain regions. The plains summers are not only hot but long lasting from March to October. The hottest months are June and July with temperature reaching 45 degrees centigrade. Dust storms and thunderstorms are common. Often very hot winds called loo blow. People usually stop outdoor work during the hottest part of the day. There is not much rainfall in this region. Farmers have to irrigate their crops. Winters are mild with temperatures ranging from 10 degrees centigrade to 21 degrees centigrade. January is the coolest month. So students, do you know where we are living? Yes, we are living in these plain regions, right? And have you observed the temperature of these areas in which we are living? Next is desert regions. In the desert regions, it seldom rains. Summers are hot and dry with hot and dusty winds blowing throughout. Winters are extreme with the temperature going below 0 degrees centigrade. In summer, the temperature goes over 50 degrees centigrade. Desert areas are very hot, very much less rain over here. Usually यहाँ पे dust storms होते हैं and survival is very much difficult over here, and there is very little population in these areas also. Now coastal regions. In the coastal regions there is little rainfall. The temperature is mild both in summer and winter. Winter is pleasant, but it is very short, extending from December to February. Sometimes cold, dry winds blow from Balochistan, which cause the temperature to fall. Summer lasts from April to October. The last one is plateau regions. In the plateau regions, there is hot summers and mild winters. Summer lasts from April to October, with temperature going over 40 degrees centigrade. In winters, the temperature remains close to 10 degrees centigrade. There is considerable rainfall, though it is more in summers than in winter. So students, we have discussed different climatic regions in the Pakistan. I hope you are all clear about these regions. Here, as you can see, that map is shown with different colors. Key is also here. It would help you to find out different climatic regions in Pakistan. Different colors are showing different climatic zones. Now your written task is that you are going to write down 10 difficult words from this topic, and you will write down the meaning on loose sheets. Then you will share your work with your teacher. And if you have any query and you are unable to understand anything from this chapter, do ask. You are always welcome. Thank you so much for your watching.